Hi dear parents, welcome back to another math hour. Today I'm going to show you how to multiply binomials. I'm using a very simple method to do this. It's called using a square method, and I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so let's begin. So you can see over here my first question, 2x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 2. To do this, I'm going to first draw a box. Okay, let me draw a box over here. Make sure the box is like this. There we go. Here's a box right there, and here's a box. Okay, a little 4-squared box right there. All right. Now, step number 1, I'm going to take each parts of this and assign them to the box. Okay. So, for example, 2x. I'm going to put 2x over here. As you can see, make it a little bit bigger. How about this one? How's that? Good. All right. 2x, and this is going to be positive 1. Okay. You see that? So this is taken care of, and this is taken care of. You see that? And now on top, I'm going to put the other side, which is x. And let me move this up here. And minus 2. Alright? Oops, minus 2 is a little bit broken up here. How's that? Better? So you see what I did? I just put this, the numbers here in this parentheses, over here on this side, and this one over here on the top side. You can do either way, it doesn't really matter, but I like to prefer to do it this way. Okay, I'm just breaking them up into small component parts. Now I'm going to multiply them. So 2x multiplied by x is 2x squared. Okay, why? Because when you see nothing here, when there's no exponent here, it's automatically a 1. Okay, here also automatically a 1. Alright? And when you multiply exponents, if this number or this variable is the same, you keep it over here the same, and the exponents 1 plus 1, you just add them up and you get 2. That's how you get 2x squared. Okay? That's simple. Now, next, let me erase all this off so you don't get confused. There we go. Erase, 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 erase. Good. Next thing I'm going to do is 2x multiplied by minus 2. Okay? What is 2x multiplied by minus 2? Well, it is minus 4x. Okay? So far so good? We're good? Nice. Now let's do this. Let's do 1 multiplied by x. 1 times x is just good old x. And let's do 1 multiplied by minus 2. And 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. There we go. We filled out our boxes, and now we're just going to rewrite everything, okay? So I'm going to start with, let me take a different color here right now. How about this one? I'm going to start with this box right here, all right? So 2x squared, and I apologize for my handwriting. I'm writing with a mouse. Then I'm going to do this number here on top, which is minus 4x. Then I'm going to take this number here, which is plus x, or 1x, all right? And then I take this one here, minus 2. You see that? That's all I did. I started from here, this number, this number, this number, and this number. That's it. And now, let's see what we can do with it. 2x squared stays the same, no change there. And you notice over here, minus 4x plus x, like terms. There's an x here, and there's an x here. We can do math with it. So what is minus 4x plus 1x? Well, that's going to be minus 3x. Minus 2. And there we go. That is our final answer. Okay? So 2x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 2. The answer is 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. And that's how you multiply binomials. I'm going to show you another example. Let's take a look at this one right over here. Minus 5s minus 7, all multiplied by 4s plus 8. I'm going to again use my box. Get my box over here. Here we go, nice square box. Lines. Right over here is one line, right over here the other line. Okay. And then I'm just going to fill that out, break it into small pieces. So minus 5s, minus 5s. Minus 7, minus 7, 4s, 4s, positive 8, positive 8. And now we multiply. Let's multiply it. Minus 5s times 4s is minus 20s squared Okay, minus 5s times 8 is minus 40s, right? No problems. Minus 7 times 4s is minus 28s. And finally, minus 7 times 8 is minus 56. There we go. And now, starting from here, 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 and here, I'm going to write it down. Minus 20s squared. Okay, that's a square, by the way. Sorry, looked at 1. Minus 40s, minus 28s, and minus 56. Okay? Boy, it's really hard to write with this mouse here. There you go. How's that? Good? Minus 20s stays the same, no change. Squared. Minus 40s, minus 28s are like terms. So we're going to do minus 40 minus 28, which is minus 68. S minus 56. And there we go. That is our final answer. Okay, so you see how easy it is to use the square method? And last but not least, let's try this one right over here. I'm going to bring it down just a notch, so then there's enough space. Let me just set this here, here. A little smaller, please. I need some space in this thing. Alright, how about here? Yes, looks good. Alright, let's do it. Same thing, again, you need a box. Let's make that box, like that. I keep saying it's a box, it's also square. It's the same thing. Okay, a little 4-space square right here. Let's get some colors. Let's get the green. 7K one side, 7K over here. Make it nice and big. Break it down to small pieces. 8, positive 8, minus 9K squared. There we go. And of course, minus 5K. And now let's multiply them. Minus 9 times 7, minus 63. We have K. How many K's have we got here? 2 K's, 1 K. Makes it 3 K's. You see that? Minus 63K cubed. Minus 7 times 5, minus 35. How many K's have we got? 1K, 1K. Makes it 2K. Or K squared. Okay? Minus 9 times 8 is minus 72. Oops, sorry, didn't look good there. Minus 72K. And are we good here? This is K squared, right? So K squared is K squared. You see that? Stays. And finally, minus 8, minus 5 times 8, minus 40K. Write this all down. Minus 63K cubed. Minus 35K squared. Minus 72K squared. And minus 40K. There we go. Looks good, right? Let's do it. Minus 63K squared stays, K cubed, sorry, stays the same, no change. Minus 35 minus 72K squared, like terms. So minus 35 minus 72 is minus 107, if I'm not mistaken. K squared minus 40K. And boom, we have got the answer. And there we go. This is how you multiply binomials. Thank you.